Welcome back to our YouTube channel Aman Codes. In today's episode, we are going to discuss the combinations of dict data type. So in previous episode, we have completed with respect to dict. In that, we have completed list in dict, tuple in dict, set in dict, and dict in dict, right? So in today's episode, we are going to see dict in set. See here, we are declaring dict in set. This dict inside this set, it is going to be not possible. Why? In the sense, in order to access this dict key comma values, the outer set must and should provide indices. So this set does not provide indices. So we can't access this inner key comma values. So that is the reason we can't able to declare this dict in set, right? So that is the reason we get an error called type error. Can't use dict as a set element, unhashable type dict. So set does not provide any type of indices. That is the reason we can't access this key comma values. So we can't declare this dict in set, right? So this dict in set is completed. So the next thing is dict in tuple. So I want to declare this dict in tuple. Let's see how to declare this dict in tuple. So these are the dict key comma values and these are the elements that present in tuple. So this represents dict in tuple. So in order to know which values comes under which type, I'm going to use a simple for loop. So see here, we have an element called 10, which comes under int class. This 10 present in tuple, right? So same like this, if we come here, this value comes under dict. So this value is present in tuple, right? So that is the reason it comes like this, dict in tuple, right? So here also dict in tuple. So by this way we can declare an dict in tuple, right? So we can use the predefined functions on dict and we can use the predefined functions on tuple also. So if I go like this, t1 of, so if I want to retrieve this inner dictionary, I want to give t1 of 0, 1, 2. If I use here 2, then I going to retrieve that inner dictionary. See here, why it has retrieved? Because tuple provides indices to the tuple elements, right? So if I want to retrieve the another inner dictionary, I have to use like this. See here, another inner dictionary has been retrieved, right? So like this we can declare dict in tuple. So see here, if I do like this, t1 of 2, in the 2 I want to update the value 2 is equals to 78. I want to update this value. Which value? Here, this value 3 to 78. It will happen or not, we will see. So previously we have value of value as 3. That value of value 3 has been changed into 78. So if I try to change this 20, it is not going to be happen. See here, TL of 1, that is directly is equals to 78. If I do this thing, it throws an error called type error. Tuple object does not support item assignments. So why tuple is immutable? That is the reason we can't change the tuple elements, but we can change the inner dictionary elements because dictionary is an mutable. So we can do all operations that we performed in dict. We can do all operations that we performed in tuple. So by this way, we can declare dict in tuple. So the last thing we have to see, what is this dict in list? List in dict. So these are the key comma values which comes under dict. This dict, so inside the list, right? So this represents dict in list. So in order to know which value comes under which type, I'm going to use a simple for loop like this. 10 which comes under class int, this 10 present in class list, right? So same like this value key comma values are comes under class dict. So this key comma values are present in class list. So that is the reason it has defined like this, dict in list. So same here also, dict in list, right? So we can perform the operations on list elements and dict elements. We can update an element in list. We can update and key comma values in dict by using their predefined functions. We have 17 predefined functions in list, we have 10 predefined functions in dict object. So we can perform all the predefined operations on this dict in list combination. So here, in order to retrieve my inner dict, I'm going to use like this. The inner dictionary is going to be retrieved. See here, my inner dictionary is retrieved, right? So by the same thing, if I use here 3, another inner dictionary is going to be retrieved. See here, another inner dictionary has been retrieved. So I can append an element to that L1. See here, L1 dot append of, I want to append 90 to this L1 list. See here, so the 90 element is added after this 65. See here, now I'm going to access my L1 like this. So 90 has been added, right? So if I want to update this 4 as 20, I can do the thing. No, I have to do like this. See here, L1 of 2. In the sense, this entire dictionary is going to be accessed. In that, I want to access the element called 3. So for that, I have to update that 4 to 30. See here, I have to update this 4 as 30. After executing the statement, if I try to access L1, this 4 has updated to 30, right? So we can update an element. So by this way, we can declare dict in list. So by this, we have completed the combination of dict in list, right? So in today's video, we have discussed about dict in list, dict in tuple, and this dict in set, right? So by this video, we have successfully completed dict combinations with respective to list tuple set. So that's all for today's episode. I hope you all understand. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Aman Codes. Thank you so much for watching.